Sentence 1.
Heart submerged in heedlessness.
Heart submerged in heedlessness.
Sentence 2.
What should I eat today?
What should I eat today?
Sentence 3.
Cannot you hear me?
Cannot you hear me?
Sentence 4.
Your father will pay the bill?
Your father will pay the bill?
Sentence 5.
An ungrateful woman.
An ungrateful woman.
Sentence 6.
How did you feel?
How did you feel?
Sentence 7.
Yes, so what?
Yes, so what?
Sentence 8.
You just keep on eating.
You just keep on eating.
Sentence 9.
He was about to sneeze.
He was about to sneeze.
Sentence 10.
He is fond of tea.
He is fond of tea.